Fresh Brahman cow hides arrive directly from collection units. They are immediately transferred for industrial cleaning. Excess edges are trimmed for uniform processing. This ensures consistent sizing for further steps. Specialized machines remove the loosened hair layer. The hide surface becomes clean and uniform. The cleaned hides are soaked in a lime solution. This process loosens hair and softens the fibers. The fleshing machine removes fat and inner tissue. This step prepares the hide for tanning. The hides are thoroughly washed in rotating industrial drums. This removes dirt, blood, and surface contaminants. Controlled drying ensures even moisture removal. This prevents cracking and deformation. Tanning chemicals are infused into the hide fibers. This stabilizes and preserves the material. The tanned hides are removed and prepared for drying. Excess moisture begins to evaporate. The hide is mechanically softened for flexibility. This improves texture and usability. Surface sanding removes imperfections from the hide. A smoother texture begins to develop. Polishing refines the hide's surface quality. A consistent finish is achieved. Raw horns are sorted based on size and condition. They move forward for cleaning. Boiling softens the dense horn material. This prepares it for shaping and cleaning. The outer surface is mechanically removed. A smoother structure is revealed. Horns are cut into usable sections. These pieces are ready for reshaping. Heat and pressure reshape the horn. Flat sheets are formed for products. Polishing enhances the natural shine. Unique patterns become visible. Edges are ground for precision and safety. A uniform finish is achieved. Manual detailing ensures precision. Each piece is carefully refined. Each piece undergoes strict inspection. Only perfect items move forward. Products are sorted by size and quality. They are prepared for final processing. Leather sheets are dyed with precision systems. Color penetrates deeply. Controlled drying locks in the color. This ensures durability. Final polishing enhances appearance. A protective layer is added. Finished sheets are carefully stacked. They are ready for shipment. Products are securely packaged and labeled. They are ready for global distribution. Finished horn sheets are transformed into usable products. CNC machines begin precision cutting. Button blanks are drilled with precision holes. Each piece is shaped for functionality. Each button is carefully inspected. Only premium quality pieces are approved. Finished buttons are sorted by size and design. They are ready for market distribution. Larger horn sheets are used to create combs. Precision cutting defines the basic shape. Fine cutting creates the comb teeth. Accuracy is critical for smooth use. Polishing enhances the comb's finish. A smooth, glossy surface is achieved. Each comb is tested for alignment and quality. Only perfect pieces are approved. Finished combs are carefully packaged. They are ready for sale. Leather sheets are transformed into product components. Precision cutting ensures consistency. Leather pieces are stitched together. Precision ensures strong seams.
Heat pressing defines the final shape. This ensures a premium structure.
Edges are sealed for durability and style. A clean finish is achieved. Each wallet undergoes strict inspection. Only flawless pieces pass.
Approved wallets are sorted systematically. They are prepared for final packaging.
Wallets are packed in premium packaging. They are ready for shipment.
Products are combined into export cartons. They are prepared for global delivery.
Each carton is digitally scanned and recorded. Products are tracked for global distribution.
Each carton is digitally scanned and recorded. Products are tracked for global distribution. Robotic systems stack cartons onto pallets. This ensures safe and stable transport.
Automated systems sort shipments by destination. This ensures efficient logistics handling.
Robotic systems stack cartons onto pallets. This ensures safe and stable transport.
Pallets are tightly wrapped for protection. They are secured for shipping. Shipping containers are prepared for loading. Each pallet is aligned carefully.
Pallets are loaded with precision. Space is optimized for maximum capacity.
Final checks ensure load stability. Everything is secured for transport.
Final checks ensure load stability. Everything is secured for transport.
Pallets are tightly wrapped for protection. They are secured for shipping.
The container is sealed and locked. It is now ready for shipment.
Containers are loaded onto cargo ships. They travel across oceans worldwide.
Products journey across vast oceans, connecting craftsmanship with customers. Horn products enhance premium designs. They bring natural elegance. Leather products reflect durability and style. They represent true craftsmanship.
Each product tells a story of transformation. From raw material to refined excellence. Every step is crafted with precision. Quality is built into every stage. Behind every product is skilled craftsmanship, a legacy of quality and dedication. From raw to perfect finish. This is true manufacturing excellence.
Discover more incredible manufacturing journeys. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes content. Every horn piece carries a unique natural pattern. No two products are ever the same.
Horn combs combine beauty with functionality. They are crafted for precision and durability.
Premium leather delivers strength and elegance, crafted to last for years. Together, they represent true craftsmanship. From raw material to refined perfection.
Every detail is shaped by skilled hands. Precision defines every step.
From stitching to shaping, perfection matters. Every step adds value.
A complete journey from raw to refined. Transformation at every stage. These products reach customers worldwide. Craftsmanship travels across borders.
Used in everyday life around the world. Blending utility with elegance. Used in everyday life around the world. Blending utility with elegance.
Quality you can see and feel. Crafted for excellence. A mark of quality and craftsmanship. Trusted worldwide. From raw to perfect finish. This is true manufacturing excellence. Precision. Quality. Craftsmanship. Delivered to the world.
Subscribe for more factory insights. Explore the world of manufacturing.
Watch more incredible processes. Discover how things are made.
Thank you for watching. Stay connected.
Crafted with passion. Delivered with excellence.
Every product has a story, and every process matters.
End of process. Thank you.